of birds?
A herd of birds.
I don't understand it. Like,
Hello, birds.
in Vegas, we had ducks.
Hey,
And we
baby.
were just like, hey,
Hey, baby. This isn't even zoomed in. That's how close that bird is to me.
yeah,
What's up? What's up, buddy?
I don't know what the hell's going on, but okay.
We have food, that's what. They're like, we want Chipotle.
I don't like onions. You're an asshole, pigeon.
Well, we have now drawn the attention of a large pigeon. That was an oxymoron. Or, excuse me, no, that was redundant. A large pigeon. Yeah, I'm talking about you.
I hate you, pigeon.
Yeah, I'm talking about you, Pidge.
Yeah. I don't like you. Stop eating my beans.
Thank you very much. Little birds, little birds.
Make it
No.
go away.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. No, I'm kidding, pigeon. You belong.
No, you don't.
You belong.
I don't like. Stop.
I
Stealing
value
shit.
you as a being.
I don't. Stop stealing their food, asshole.
Well, at least someone's eating the onion. The little birds didn't
Yeah,
really
they were.
want
Let me
it.
tell you, look at
He's
him.
trying it.
He's like, no.
She broke it in half so they could chew it more easily.
No, she didn't. She was just, look, now she's going over there to take it because she's a bitchy ass pigeon. She's an asshole. Oh, no.
Bitchy ass pigeon.
Hello.
Oh, you were really, really close there for a second.
It's okay.